When you are building a diorama, there are lots of gadgets that you might need to buy. One of them you don't need to buy is one of these static grass spreaders. Hi, welcome back to St Blazey Model World. I'm Roger. I've never been a great fan of these things, and as you can see from this brief sample off of an internet search, they don't come cheap. It's much better to spend your money on something much more worthwhile. So if I don't use one of these, what do I use? When I'm ready to apply my scenic items, scatters and so on, then these are my weapons of choice. What have these cost me? £2 from my local market. Absolutely ideal items for the task, these. Cheap, reusable, and they do a much better job than these expert products that you can buy. If you don't have one of these and you don't want to go down the route of buying one of those spreading machines, then simply snip the end off your packet and take your chances. Because believe you me, nothing will go badly wrong as long as you're following some very basic principles on how to get it right. And the only other thing you need to consider is what you're going to do with the money that you've saved. Around sort of £20 to £30 UK sterling. Well, you can do all sorts with that, can't you? The choice is yours. So there we go. Don't waste your money on some of these gadgets. Look for a cheaper and much more effective alternative. That's it for this one. Take care, stay safe. See you next time at St Blazey Model World.